Jim has a sukoon. Jim has a little dal. Jim has a sukoon. So Jim will called
Jim Sukoon.
Jim sakin.
Jim Sakin.
Kha has a sukoon. So Kha will called
Khosakan.
Kha sakin. Dal has a sukoon. So Dal will called
Dal Sukoon.
Dal sakin. Ra
And
has a sukoon.
but
So Ra will.
they
Sorry.
are the same, but only one is small and one is big.
Yes, just letter will be changed. Okay,
Yes.
Ra has a sukoon. So Ra will called
Rosakoon.
Ra sakin. Sin,
Rosakin.
Sin has a sukoon. So Sin will called
Jim Sakin.
Sheen has a sukoon. So Sheen will called
Jim Sakin.
Gad has a sukoon. So Gad will called
Dod Sakoon.
Dad sakin. Good
Dod
job.
Sakin.
This one. Ta has a sukoon. So Ta will called
Dad Sakoon.
Ta sakin.
Dad Sakin.
Jim has a sukoon. So Jim will called
Jim Sakin.
Ha has a sukoon. So Ha will called
Ha Sakoon.
Dal has a sukoon on the top. So Dal will called
Dad Sakin.
Ra has a sukoon. So Ra will called
Rosakin.
Za has a sukoon on the top. So Za will called
Zav. Zav. Sakin.
Good job. Sheen has a sukoon. So Sheen will called
Sakin.
Good job. Dad has a sukoon. So Dad will called
Dod Sakin.
Good job. Seen has a sukoon. So Seen will called
Sakin.
Good job.